Tamina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will see a challenging question on integration, which is a part of the syllabus of O-level additional mathematics, and it is also a part of other examination board as well. So let's continue with the question. In this question, a curve equation is given to you, and it is told to you that the curve is meeting the y-axis at point A, and the normal is drawn to the curve at this point, which is passing through the x-axis at point P. And it is said find out the equation, find out the shaded region in the form E over A. So let's start solving, and before solving, let's do a little brainstorming here. To find the area of this shaded region, we need to know the point A coordinates and B coordinates. The reason is, if I find out the area under the curve and the x-axis, then I need to subtract this area of a triangle. Only then I will get this shaded region. So this is a right angle triangle here. If I know the coordinates AB, I can straight away apply the formula for the area of a triangle. Now the point is how to find the coordinates of point B and point A. If I can find the equation of this line, which is normal, then I can substitute y0 because it is on the x-axis. And we know that on the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. So this B point is basically x comma 0. And this A point is on the y-axis. So x coordinate is 0 here. So how we will find it out? Let's see. So to find out point A, in this equation of the curve, I will substitute x coordinate 0. So when we will put x coordinate 0 in this equation of the curve, it will become e power 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1. So it is 1 plus 3 divided by 8, which is half. So the point A is 0 comma half. Now to find the gradient of the tangent at A, because whenever we differentiate the equation, we get the gradient of the tangent function, which gives us gradient of the tangent at that point. So we will differentiate this equation, and then we will substitute x is equals to 0 in it. Why x equals to 0? Because at this point, when you will find out the gradient function, which will give you gradient of this tangent at this point, then x coordinate here is 0. So that's why after differentiating it, we will substitute x0 here. Now you can see to differentiate it, what I have done here, I have split it into two parts. E power 4x divided by 8 plus 3 over 8. Now you see I have changed the symbol. It means I am differentiating it now. We know that differentiation of exponential function is, in this case, 4 times e4x divided by 8 plus 0, because this is a constant, so its differentiation will be 0. Then in this equation, in place of x, I will put x0, right? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So you will substitute x0 and you will get 1 over 2, because e power 4 into 0 is 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So this is my gradient, this is my point. So I can find out the equation of the normal. But remember, this is the gradient of the tangent, and normal is perpendicular to it. So we will take inverse of this. If you remember, gradient of tangent multiplied by gradient of normal equals to minus 1. So if gradient of tangent is half, then what will be the gradient of normal? It will be minus 2. So you can do it with the help of equation, or you can simply take inverse of it with opposite sign, right? Now I can use this gradient and this point to find the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is a straight line equation. So I'm using here y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. If you want to use this equation of the straight line, you can use this, right? So now I'm replacing y1 and x1 by the point and m by the gradient of the normal. I found the equation of the normal here. Now this equation of the normal in the curve is passing through the x-axis. So in the equation of the normal, I will put y0 to get this x coordinate. So I will put y0 here, and I got x quarter. So my point of B is quarter, comma 0. So now I have point A, point B, and I can easily find out area of this triangle, and I can find area under the curve and the x-axis, which will be this whole thing. Limits will be 0 to pi by 4. So shaded area is equals to area under the curve minus area of a triangle, right? For the area under the curve, I will take limit 0 to quarter. You can see 0 to quarter, the function of the equation of the curve, and integrate it. And minus area of a triangle, half into height into base. So quarter into half. Exactly this what we have done here. So now when we are integrating it, it will be e power 4x divided by 4, and this will be 3 upon 8x. I hope you remember your basic integration. Then we will apply limit on it, upper limit minus lower limit. So we are applying limit here now. Now after this, you can use a straight away calculator to get the value. But the point here is we have to give answer, if you remember the question, E over A form. So that's why try ignore the use of calculator here, because otherwise it will give you answer in decimals, and we want it in E. So simply take LCM, calculate it, and simplify it. You get E divided by 32. I hope this simple calculation is clear to you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Next video, I'm taking another challenging question, which is November 17 to question 11. I will put the link of this video as well in the description. Please share it with your friends if you think it is useful for their learning journey. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.